Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how we can construct triangles from given data, for example given two sides, an included angle, or two sides and a non-included angle, or three sides. Now there are ways of doing that within Inkscape using an extension and getting that done automatically, but I think it's quite instructive to create it manually, whether that be a teacher demonstrating that or students being set the task in Inkscape. So let's have a look. If I drag across, first I want a length of 50 and then a length of 60 rotated at 20 degrees. So I use the Bezier pen tool, or B, click Control to constrain to horizontal, click and enter to finish. Then with the select tool or F1 look at the length. Now it's currently 54 and a bit, so I'll edit that to 50 and enter. So there's my 50mm length. Now I want the 60, so I'll Control D to duplicate and just drag that up there. I'll edit its length to 60. And I need to rotate it 20 degrees, and Inkscape rotates using the transform menu anti-clockwise. So I've set the angle in the rotate tab there, Control Shift M if you need to bring this up, and you need to click apply, and there it's rotated at 20 degrees to the first one, which was horizontal. Now ensure that snapping tools are on, in particular cusp nodes, that one there, and we can drag it and it snaps to there. So there's pretty much our triangle. Now you can join nodes and join these ends, but I just redraw over with a new Bezier pen path. So perhaps start there and it's snapping to that end, click, click, and then hover over till it goes red, click and enter, and select tool. I can give it a green fill if I want to, drag that out of the way and delete the other lines. So there's a triangle. What about if I wanted 50 and 60 lengths but the non-included angle 170? Well, once again click, click and enter with the Bezier pen tool, select tool. I should have kept my other 50, but it's a pretty close estimate. 50, there's my 50, Control D to duplicate, and let's rotate that one. Well, it's really from here rotated around, so 180 minus that would be 73, or we could go negative 107. Show what I mean. If you put in 107 wrongly, 107, click apply, you can see that doesn't look right, so Control Z, try the negative 107 to go in the other direction, apply, and that looks right. So we can snap that up there. There's our 107 degree angle, but we just need the 60 distance from here that joins there, which is a circle of diameter 120. So I use the ellipses and circles tool and just draw any circle, Control Shift to form a circle, select tool, lock the proportions so you don't have to change width and height together, and we want to make it 120 the width because the radius is 60, so the diameter will be 120, and enter. Now mouse wheel and holding down Control to zoom out. If I press N, it brings up the rotation centre that I can drag, and I can drag that point to snap onto there. Back to the select tool, or actually the Bezier pen tool, and now I can trace out my rectangle, because from there to there will be 60 that I wanted. Here's my 107 degree angle, and close the shape. Give it a yellow fill, and I can delete the construction guides. And there's the second triangle. It's the same as the first, but I just provided different information. Well, pretty close. I think that's a little bit over 107 degrees, but anyway. Now if we have three sides, once again Bezier pen tool to draw the 50, one of them, click, click, enter, and once again select tool and edit that to 50. This time we want 30 and 40, so 30 would be a circle of diameter 60. So E for ellipses tool, Control Shift when you drag it out, select tool, and change either width or height to 60. N for the node tool, and we can drag that node to snap on there. Rather than construct another one, I'll just Control D to duplicate this one, and it doesn't matter where it is, I'll make it, its radius is 40, so that's a diameter of 80, and enter. N for the node tool to bring up the centre that I can drag by, there it is. And now where they cross, that's obviously 30, that'll be the 40, and there's my 50 base. Back to the Bezier pen tool, snap to there. Make sure you've got snap to intersections turned on. That's that one there, and that'll snap in preference to other parts. Click in the end and then back to there, enter, and I can give that a fill if I want to, and delete the construction guides. If you move that up, there's a guide there. So there's my third triangle. So there are 3 methods. It doesn't take too long, but it's sort of like a very, very neat compass and ruler, isn't it, using Inkscape to do that. Should have deleted that line. So, hope it's of use to you, and as always, thanks for watching.